Okay, got here as a job to build some giant letters. You can see that's how big they are. There's the L, and there's the E. There's the O over there. But the O and the V, unlike the L and the E, there's no angle cuts on that, just 90-degree cuts on all these little parts. The O, on the other hand, does have an angle. All these pieces have bad angle on there, and that's not too crazy an angle. But the one that I got to deal with right now is this in here. Now that piece looks like about a 13.2 degree, and this is about what it looks like. A couple of test pieces to see if it worked, and that'll work. So now that I know that works, this is the actual piece that'll go in there like this, and of course it slide that in there more. And I need to duplicate that angle. So what I did was I built a sled here, and this part fits underneath the fence and clamps it down, and then you put your board on there like that and clamp it to that. I wouldn't recommend getting your fingers anywhere near this sketchy piece of crap. But anyhow, I got it set up over here on the chop saw, and you can see what I've done here. It's the same thing. Don't really trust this clamp, but I do a lot more of that one. On the test piece, I used the metal clamp around in there, and guess what? That little short piece was a little bit too close, so I switched to a wood clamp, and this is significantly further away, and it looks like it'll nah, that's not going to clear. Alright, let me back that up a little bit, and we'll try it again here. But even if it did hit it, it's wood, and this thing was like $1 from China, but still, no sense messing it up. Alright, I'll get set up and move that thing back, and we'll see what happens here. Wow. Nobody died. That's one nasty angle. Alright, try the other one. Pulled that off again. Oh, no hospital today. Take a look here. There we go. And that's how it's supposed to fit. Well, of course it'll be glued. And there we go. Alrighty. Time for a break.